morning everyone from the laundrette. So this is a slightly less glamorous side of interrailing. This morning we needed to do our laundry as we've been putting it off. So we found a local laundrette, the actual same chain of laundrette that I have actually used here in Barcelona before. So luckily I knew how all the machines worked and everything. We've been waiting for the last half an hour for our clothes to wash. We just went to a local cafe to get a tuna baguette and a drink, and now it's got like 5 minutes left, and then we're going to put it into the dryer, wait another half an hour, and then we're all good to go. So just to update you all, after the laundrette, I came back here and I've been editing all afternoon whilst Hannah went to Montjuic to explore. Montjuic is one of my favourite areas of Barcelona and it sounds like she's had a really good time. But now I finished editing, we are going to go off for some tapas, and then we've got a flamenco show at 6 PM this evening, which we're both really looking forward to. I've actually been to the show twice already, once with my friend Lindsay and then with my mum when she visited me last summer, but I'm always up for a flamenco show. I really love the style of dance, so I'm very much looking forward to it. And then we are meeting up with my friend Delia for dinner this evening at a vegan restaurant. So I will of course bring the camera along and show you all, but I just thought I'd do a quick update as it's been a little bit of a different vlog today. It's been more of like an admin work kind of day, but nonetheless a really good day. Okay, so myself and Hannah are now going out to find a tapas place. We're not too sure exactly where. We're just going to head towards the Plaza Catalunya area as that's where our flamenco show is, but we're both absolutely starving. All we've eaten today is like half a tuna baguette this morning when we were doing our laundry, so we're going to try and find somewhere to get just a small snack though, because we have got dinner in a couple of hours anyway, so the timings are a little bit messed up today in terms of like when we're eating, what we're doing, but essentially that is what we're off to do now, so I will let you know when we get there. So we just finished up at the flamenco show. It was from 6 till 7 PM, so just an hour, but it was fantastic. It was actually my third time that I've watched the exact same show, as I've been once before with my friend Lindsay and my mum, as I think I mentioned previously, or in this same vlog, but nonetheless, again, it was such a fantastic show. I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to go and see the flamenco show if you're ever in Barcelona. It's at the City Hall, which is about 2 minutes from Plaza Catalunya, so it's a perfect location. But now we're just off to a restaurant called Veggie Garden to meet my friend Delia for dinner. Delia is an intern at Camino Barcelona Language Academy, so I met her in January, February when I was here before, but yeah, we're literally like 2 minutes away, so I'll update you when we get there. Okay, so we've just got back from a delicious vegan dinner with my friend Delia, and now we are back at the hotel, so I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.